Hey, it's Ken Kreitzer for Sons of the American Legion Radio. We're at West Point at football practice. It's now that Navy time of year. Have a chance to talk with Army senior linebacker Bailey Wolf. Bailey, good to see you. How was practice out there today?
I thought it was a good one. We had a lot of energy, good pace. Guys really flying around and looked pretty crisp today.
Absolutely. Now, tell us a little bit about where are you from and why did you decide to go to West Point?
From Wilmington, Ohio, small town down in southwest Ohio. Decided to go to West Point. I got 3 younger brothers. Wanted to set an example for them, and I really just wanted to be able to serve and set myself up for what I wanted to do in life and just help others. So.
Okay. Tell us about your role on the team. You've been playing outside. You playing linebacker. Which position, inside or outside, do you prefer?
Outside.
Outside. And also special teams. Tell us a little bit about how your season's gone so far.
So it's been mainly just special teams, all those units, and really just trying to set an example for the younger guys and be a leader out there on special teams.
Well, certainly for Coach Monken, special teams is very, very important. What are some of the keys for you on which is your favorite special team to play on, by the way?
Got to go with kickoff. Just running down there and trying to light somebody up.
Okay. What's the key on special teams? Just to be ready to make the play?
Yeah, I mean, really it's just doing your job. I mean, we work on it every day out here, a bunch of techniques and drills, and the whole unit together going through reps. So really just doing your job, making sure everybody is on the same page.
Great. Now tell us a little bit about your academic side. What major are you in here at West Point?
So I'm a civil engineer, and going to my 4th year of that. So
that's great. I was just talking with a civil engineer over the weekend who works on bridges in New York City. That's a great field, very important for your future. Now, what part of the Army are you going to go to?
Going engineers. So it'll translate pretty well. I'm pretty excited about it. Ready to get out there.
Well, that's a very prestigious part of the Army. What attracted you to engineers? Obviously, you like civil engineering.
Right. I mean, I grew up working. My dad's pretty handy. Grandpa's a carpenter, so I just grew up helping them, and I just like that kind of thing. So I figured that'd be best suited towards my interests.
Okay, great. Any military in your family?
Both grandparents served in Vietnam, but other than that, no.
Well, that's very important service to our country in Vietnam. And now you're working with a lot of younger players, and we got the Navy game in less than 10 days now. What do you tell the younger players about how to prepare?
Really, you don't approach it any other way. I think the focus is a little bit more there, but other than that, you just got to enjoy the moment and really focus in these past couple of days. It's hard to sometimes stay focused. Sometimes you get lulled to sleep a little bit with so much time, but no, really just trying to get them to realize that the game's a lot closer than you think and to just press on the gas here and not let up.
Absolutely. Now, how important would it be for you as a senior? You've won your last 2 Service Academy games to go out with a win over Navy and bring back the Commander-in-Chief trophy.
Can't even find the words for that one, honestly. I mean, that's why I came here to play football. I mean, that's what we've been trying to do since I came here, and just to get a win like that and get the CIC trophy with this team, with this senior class, my brothers, man, that mean everything.
Absolutely. Bailey Wolf, best wishes from all of us to the American Legion, and everyone's very proud of Vietnam veterans, and your 2 grandparents you mentioned were Vietnam veterans. Good to see you.
All right, thank you.
Ken Kreitzer for Sons of the American Legion Radio at West Point.